Number 10, we're going to be subtracting. Whenever you subtract, you have to be careful on whatever follows the subtraction sign. In parentheses, will change signs. So our first parentheses is -6 plus 8i. And then the second, we have a minus here. And then we have a second set of parentheses. It is 7 minus 9i. Okay, so what you want to do first is everything following the minus sign is going to change signs. So this +7 is going to become negative. The -9 is going to become positive. You want to think about this as distributing a -1. So multiplying both these terms by -1. So this problem will become -6 plus 8i, and then minus 7 plus 9i. And then from there you will combine like terms. So I will combine both the real numbers and both the imaginary numbers. And when I add 6 and 7, or -6 and -7, that will give me a -13. And then the +8 and the +9i will give us a +17i. -13 plus 17i. All right, 11, we're going to be doing the same thing. We just have a different set of numbers. We have 2 minus 7i minus 3 plus 3i. And after the minus, we're going to change signs. So by distributing a -1. So this will be a 2 minus 7i, and this will be minus 3, and then minus 3i. And combining the whole numbers, we have a +2, a -3, that will give us a -1. And then combining the imaginary parts, both negative, we add and get a -10i. So the thing to be careful of is changing the sign of every term that follows the minus. Otherwise you will come out with an incorrect answer. So -1 minus 10i. All right, and our final question, number 12. We have 11 minus I plus, and then in parentheses, a -6 plus 4i. So when we have addition, we don't have to change the signs. We're going to use the signs as they are. So I'm just going to combine the 11 and the -6, adding them together or subtracting because they have different signs. That will give us a +5. And then the -i and the +4i. So you have 4 minus 1. So this is understood 1 in front. So 4 minus 1i will give us 3i, +3i. And so this will be our final answer. 5 plus 3i.